there, car enthusiasts! I'm Tiger Car System, your go-to car accessories specialist. And today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the 20 colorful reflective strips car motorcycle wheel hub stickers from TigerCarSystems.com. Elevate your vehicle's style with these captivating stickers, designed to shine for years to come. With 20 strips of various colors and sizes, you can create a unique look that suits your style. Stand out in the crowd and turn heads wherever you go. Applying these stickers is a breeze. Just peel and place them on your wheel hub for an eye-catching transformation. Not just for cars, these versatile stickers work on motorcycles and SUVs too, adding a touch of personality to any ride. Plus, they enhance your safety on the road by creating a mesmerizing glow when headlights hit them. Maintenance is a breeze. Simply wipe them clean to keep them looking vibrant and fresh. Don't just take our word for it. Check out the glowing reviews from satisfied customers. It's time to upgrade your style. Click that Add to Cart button now and get the 20 colorful reflective strips car motorcycle wheel hub stickers from TigerCarSystems.com. Thank you for joining us today. Like and subscribe for more fantastic car accessories and style upgrades. Happy driving with your dazzling wheels.